Hello everybody. My sister has this old Oreck vacuum cleaner that she was getting ready to throw away because the hose is in pretty rough shape. It's pretty old, it's got some holes in it, and it looks like it's been stepped on a couple of times, so it's pretty useless. But rather than throw that good machine away, because the machines are pretty expensive, so this is one of the older models. It's really worth keeping. It has a HEPA filter in the back, which is really nice. And my sister had tons of bags and filters left over for this. I just went out online and I bought this hose here, 32 millimeters in diameter. Should be exactly the same kind of hose here. It's vac hose, and it actually is significantly longer. It's 2.5 meters long. I bought this hose on eBay for $8.43 delivered. Took a couple of weeks. It was shipped from Asia, and I linked to eBay through my Top Cashback account. Top Cashback gave me 1.5% cash rebate for my eBay purchase. If you don't have a Top Cashback account, there's a link in the description below. Sign up for a Top Cashback account, log into the account, and then from your Top Cashback account, log out to your favorite merchant. Top Cashback will record the purchase and you'll get a cash rebate. You can do it for Walmart, Lowe's, Advance Auto, AutoZone, all kinds of merchants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the fittings from each end. So there's this fitting here and this fitting here. And the way you do that is it's just a reverse thread. So whatever you think is untightening, just twist it the other direction and it will eventually come off. There's a little bit of adhesive in there, but I'll just rip that all apart. Normally, if you were going to twist this on, if it had a right-hand thread, you would twist it clockwise to put it on. Because this is a reverse thread, twisting it clockwise will actually remove it. And I've already pulled the adhesive out of this one. You can see a little bit of it here. And so to put it back on, it's exactly the opposite. It's like you were twisting it counterclockwise, and that will put it on. So that takes care of this end. I'm going to do the same thing on this other end. I'm going to have to work this a little bit with my pliers and screwdriver to get the adhesive off of it. But eventually this will twist off and I'll just be able to put the new one on. Let me show you how easy the new one's going to be. So here's my hose, here's my coupling, and I'm just going to reverse thread it or counterclockwise screw it on. There it is, it's on, tight. I'll put a little bit of adhesive in there that keeps it from unraveling. I've decided to attach the two ends with my glue gun. In particular, I like this Surebonder Tough Stick. It's a very effective, high-performance glue stick. I've got it all together now, so let's fire it up and see if it works. $8.43 before my credit card rebates and my Top Cashback rebates. I will have salvaged a good vacuum cleaner. So thanks for watching. If you found this interesting or helpful, how about subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up.